Hi guys, this is Tech Hub GH, and today we're bringing you three of the videos that you guys love so much, which is downloading from WhatsApp, downloading from Instagram, and downloading from Facebook. Let's get going.
Hi guys, welcome to Tech Hub GH once again. I'm Seth, and today I'm taking you through how to download any WhatsApp status without the usage of an app. Yes, you can do that. In order to do this, your phone needs to be an Android OS. Let's get straight into it. First, open My Files folder from your apps drawer. Now, open Internal Storage folder. Scroll down to the bottom and open WhatsApp folder. Open Media folder from the WhatsApp folder you opened. Now move to the top right corner of your screen. Tap the three dots, in other words, the keyboard menu. Select Settings. Now, enable the Show Hidden Files tab. Go back to the previous page where you were. You'll see Status as the first folder on the list. Open that folder. Now scroll through the statuses that are showing. Select the status or the item you would like to copy. Tap and hold on the image or the video you would like to copy. Now go back to the top right corner of your screen. Tap the three dots, in other words, the keyboard menu again. Select Copy. Now select the location where you would like to copy the item to. Click Save and your item is copied. Now you can go back to your gallery or the folder or the location where you stored the copied status. You're done. Now you can copy any WhatsApp status from any contact on your WhatsApp contact.
Hi guys, I'm Mary from Tech Hub GH, and I'm here today to take you through how to download Facebook videos without using any app. I'm sure you sometimes browse through Facebook and you'd like to download some videos and watch later. So first of all, we have to scroll through Facebook to identify the video you want to download. Next, you click on the three dots at the top right corner of the video and select Copy Link. Close the Facebook app and open your browser. Then you can paste the link into the search space. Insert the link again and add m.basic at the beginning of the link. It takes you to the older version of Facebook. Tap to open the video, click and hold on the video for a download button to appear, and tap Download Videos. Go to Gallery and voila, your video is ready to view. Thank you.
Hello guys, I'm Joseph. Ever wondered how you could download any post on Instagram? Be it image, text, or video, or even IGTV, without the use of a third-party app? Yes, it's possible, and it will even take less than a minute of your time. If you are ready, let's delve into it. First, you open your Instagram, and then you browse through the posts you want. After, when you happen to get to the post you want, tap on the three dots at the top right corner of your post. Then select Copy Link. And then open your browser and type Downloadgram. The page looks exactly like Google search area. Paste your code in it and hit download. With less than a minute, your video or image or IGTV will be done downloading. Check through your gallery and it will be there. This feature works perfectly for iOS users too.
Okay, so we're starting, you know. So, but
Silence. One. This process that I will be giving only works.
Shall we have fun? Shall we? Action.